Traveling in economy on a long-haul flight doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. Today I'm sharing smart, simple tips and must-have products linked below. First, seat selection matters. Choose an aisle seat for easier movement and a little extra freedom. Check in early to lock it in. A travel pillow with hidden storage is a game changer. More space for clothes and better rest. Wear a jacket to free up room in your carry-on. Yes, we're doing carry-on only with compression bags. Noise-canceling headphones? Non-negotiable. Add a foot hammock to support your legs, a tray cover with storage pockets to avoid those questionable seat back pouches, and an inflatable seat cushion for next-level comfort. Don't forget cleaning wipes. Trust me on this one. Dress in layers, wear compression socks, and stay hydrated. Bring an empty water bottle to refill after security. Pack healthy snacks so you're not stuck waiting on airline timing. Download your entertainment ahead of time, movies, shows, podcasts, and bring a book or e-reader. A small refresh kit with lip balm, moisturizer, and a toothbrush keeps you feeling human mid-flight. Stretch every couple of hours. Charge your devices before boarding and pack a portable charger just in case. And finally, mindset matters. Expect a few bumps, but focus on where you're going. With the right prep and the right gear, economy can feel a whole lot better. Everything I mentioned is linked below. These are the exact items I use or recommend to my clients.